Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up guys, just react Arjun channel पे आने का बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया. So we are back with not a reaction video but basically what I feel is happening in this community is TikTok versus YouTube. एक नया ट्रेंड आया है जिसमें TikTok वाले YouTube के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. Alright, okay, two of them are very different platforms. Two of them have a very different kind of following. It's a very different kind of people out there. Alright, content's different होता है, सब कुछ different है TikTok YouTube man. I never knew there existed a community of TikTok as such, but I know there is a YouTube community. Alright, that's why for some reason we have community guidelines also. But तुम ये सोचो TikTok people, alright, there's this guy Amir Siddiqui करके कोई था. I saw his video. Alright, first of all, the way he came at it, he started with Carrie Minardi's impression, technical Guruji ka impression and stuff. See, if you're trying to roast someone, then please don't use the impression of it. And if you want to fight with Carrie Minardi, I don't think you can't, because he has been a roaster. Alright, he started his career as a roaster. Alright, so he will just rip you apart. But coming at the TikTok versus YouTube thing, what I think is these are two different communities. Alright, you can't be compared. एक 15 सेकंड का वीडियो बनता है, एक इधर 20 मिनट से 5 मिनट मिनिमम वीडियो तो लोग बनाते ही हैं. 5 मिनट से लेके 15-20 मिनट तक वीडियो बनाते हैं. You have so many vlogs. You have Mumbai Kar Nikhil, you have MSK vlogs, you have Ashish Chanslani, you have Bhuvam Bhamdea. I mean, YouTube is filled with so many people. Alright, and एक कंटेंट खोजने में, एक कंटेंट सोचने में, कंटेंट बनाने में they invest a lot of time and effort, and that's why they are respected in this community. Because ऐसा नहीं है, we have Amit Bhadana who takes out cringe content. There is cringe content on YouTube also. Alright, where they do stupid pranks and stuff, but you have a choice to not to watch it, and these things generally don't go that viral. But you TikTok में जब लोग देखते हैं, TikTok लोग cringe देखने के लिए आते हैं. TikTok में जो अच्छे काम करते हैं, the people who make very good videos, they just get shut down, and people who fuck up in YouTube, TikTok, they get more views. Alright, you will have these boys with colored hair, transition videos and stuff. हाँ, 15 सेकंड की वीडियो बनाने में you can make he said we make 10-15 content. I mean 15 second guys, 15 second तो 15 second में तुम कुछ भी कर लोगे. Yeah, let's give you 1 hour 2 hour for editing, and with those apps you can just transition videos बहुत आराम से बन जाते हैं. So damn it dude, look, I'm not just comparing that there is no hard work, but for a YouTuber it's very difficult to become a YouTuber. I have right now 170 followers. Will I ever make it to 1000 is my question. Will I ever have enough views in my thing? But TikTok में अगर आप बकचोदी करोगे, आप करोगे, you get views. Alright, and you're saying that you will come into YouTube and do stuff, you're gonna copyright stuff. You are making everything on a copyright material. If T-Series and Sony Music just lands on your fucking TikTok shit and they start copyrighting everything you make, you're gonna get copyright, because आप लोग सब गाने के लिए ही करते हो, right? उसमें कोई ना कोई गाना involved होता है. They say you're gonna copyright me, you're gonna copyright other YouTubers for you using as a roast content, because you are a roast content. Alright, I saw Amir Siddiqui's Instagram's video. I checked out his TikTok. Bro, those are bullshit thing. Alright, it's just bullshit dude. क्यों देखते हैं लोग? Because पता नहीं मेरे को, मैं खुद TikTok नहीं देता. Alright, and in my college also when we see people are watching TikTok, everyone is like, bro, there is cringe there, because there is cringe, and then they are like, no हमारा मेहनत है. या तुम्हारा मेहनत क्या है? I mean, that doesn't make me laugh. It just be like, oh shit man, my youth is so shit. You look at foreign YouTube TikTok, I will tell you, so many footballer uses TikTok. You see their TikTok, they are doing some crazy stuff out there, making nice content. Alright, and here they are just doing hair का ये लड़की के साथ ये वो. I mean, what kind of trying to portray that you are all chapdi, you don't have class, पैसे आ जाने से class नहीं आता है. So yeah, that's what I think. And You wanna fight with YouTube people? Fight, dude. Sure, there are amazing creators in the YouTube community. If you take out their names personally, and which you are not, because you know if you do it, you're gonna get your ass kicked. All right, but if you do it, you're gonna be get kicked. That's what I'm saying. आप अपने में हो, खुश रहो. You wanna diss us? Fine, go diss us. But that doesn't mean that you are equal to us. You will always remain below. Because मेरे को एक रिएक्शन वीडियो बनाने में, एक गाना समझने में, it takes my own effort. I need to research. ठीक है? And there are so many things. मेरा तो छोड़ दो. We are reactioners. People will say we just steal views and stuff. Fine. Let's leave reaction people out of it. But भूम भाम को वो 3-4 लोग ऐसे करके एक वो बनाना, क्यारी मनाटे को जोक्स खोजना, पंच लाइन खोजना, स्टफ लाइक दैट, इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू कम बाय. ऑलराइट, व्लॉग करना मुश्किल है. क्वारंटाइन में भी लोग व्लॉग किए जा रहे हैं. व्हेन यू हैव लाइक बेयर नेसेसिटीज. ऑलराइट, कितना व्लॉग कर लोगे घर के अंदर, बट पीपल आर व्लॉगिंग इट आउट. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज TikTok people just chill out, dude. YouTube people will hopefully chill out. Just आपको छक्का बुलाया, आपको गाली दिया, that's wrong. आपको गाली दे रहे हैं, that's wrong. But accept that, just let it be. Alright, we will hope so that our community will not abuse your mom or any friend of your family or call you some derogatory names. So we can call your content cringe and we will call it cringe. That's what I have to say. If you don't agree with my